Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Alright, for my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing something very interesting, something amazing. As a price action trader, I'm going to be sharing secrets with you guys in this video, right? So if you trade support and resistance, gather here. If you trade trend lines, gather here. I don't just drop videos just for particular trader, right? I drop series of videos. You find the one that suits you. If you are support and resistance trader, you will still see good strategies in my channel that where I spoke about support and resistance. If you trade psychological level, you trade SMC, if you trade ICT, if you trade pattern, candlesticks, indicators, I have videos that suit you. So you are welcome. You have everything you need in this channel. All right. So what I'm going to be doing is I want to share with you how to avoid fake will I say fake, or some support and resistance that might not actually hold, right? Boom and crash is one of the indices, that is synthetic indices, that respect support and resistance a lot, right? And trend lines, they respect this a lot. There are some indices that don't always respect, in fact, don't respect this thing like much, okay? But I'm sharing with you this, okay? In this video, you're going to see something very interesting. Just follow this video, don't even skip any part, right? So as a traditional support and resistance trader, by now you are going to say that this is a strong level, right? Okay, because the price have retested this zone and could not break that zone for like five times or four times, right? You still have the price, couldn't break here. Even here is also part of it, right? So you can easily say that this is a strong level, so you are supposed to be selling right now. So a lot of people have sold, and if you go to 1 minute time frame or 5 minutes time frame, the price keep buying. Then some people will just name you, oh, boom and crash doesn't respect all these things, it doesn't work, this, that, because most people by now should be catching spikes, because you can clearly see that this zone, okay, is a very strong zone, okay, it's a resistance level. So you expected to be having spikes, because this is crash, the price should be crashing to the downside, but it's not happening, guys. The price is pushing up and might close above the level, right? So what could be the issue? Does it mean that it's not support and resistance doesn't work on boom and crash? I've already said it, that this is one of the markets, okay, where you support and resistance work very well on boom and crash, right? Okay, so what could be the issue? Let me share with you why this thing is happening and what the price is likely going to do next. Okay, so now before you just draw your support and resistance blindly, or just focusing on just support and resistance, you should know or note what the market is actually doing, right? If I zoom out a bit, you can see that this is a complete downtrended market, right? That means the resistance should hold. Okay, you are having two confluences now. The price is at a resistance zone and the price is also trending to the downside. So you selling right now, you are doing the right thing, right? But at the same time, you have not actually checked if the market structure, okay, is still bearish, right? So looking at market structure, you can see from here that the price keep breaking the lows and setting a new lows, okay, keep breaking, like here the price keep breaking these levels, okay. So but if you notice what happened here, the price also failed to break the previous low and created a new low which is higher than the previous one, which is a sign of weakness among sellers, right? So this is another signal which is contradicting the two information you already have, the price being at resistance level and the price also being on a downtrend trading market. That is two things, two reasons to two for a sell. Now you are having only one reason for a buy, which is this weakness that we saw here, okay, for a buy. These are things you need to check out, okay, before you start placing that buy or sell. You don't just come to the market, see one thing and you are just selling. That's a lot. That's the mistake a lot of us keep doing. You just enter, you don't even check which place or where is the market likely going to go to, or where is the direction of the market. You have to focus, you have to think from left to right and from right to left. That's exactly how you look or see the market each time you open your chart. You don't just close one eyes and use the other eyes and place a trade. You are going to be losing money. So you have to think, both ways, right? So we have one reason, to buy, and we have two reasons to sell. Now let's see what actually is happening to this market. Now we have seen a sign of weakness right here, which is actually a sign that is change of trend, a sign of that the price is about changing direction. Okay, so if you look at the pattern, you can equally say, oh, we might be having a head and shoulders pattern right here. So that's another thing we are seeing. So we have like two reasons to start looking at buying this market. But let's have a conclusion. Let's see what we are going to be doing, okay, or the next move of the market. Now if we zoom out again, okay, and I will pick my equidistance channel and I will place it and draw a very good trend channel, okay, right here. Sorry, let's get it right. Okay, so I think it's fine. Now if I draw this right here, so what are we seeing? You can see this channel covers the whole price movement from year to year, testing, retesting, and we also have here, the price also here. So what's actually happening? The price just broke out from this channel at this point right here. Okay, you can see after the price created this low, okay, this low, which is a sign of weakness among sellers, this low failed to break the previous low, which is this one. Okay, after that the price was able to break this long trend line that the price have not actually gotten to or cleared for a very long time, right? So the price was able to do that because the price created a new low which is higher than the previous one. So this particular leg that you have seen sign of weakness among sellers, the breakout from this trend line shows that many or more buyers are now into this market. Okay, they are pushing sellers out, so the price might likely push to the upward direction. All right, so these are the things you have to consider before you start selling or buying at support or resistance. Okay, now that we have this, what do you have to do now? We have gotten information about the breakouts. Okay, so we can easily go to a lower time frame to start looking for maybe the next move of the price, right? We have gotten an information about the breakout. We have seen the weakness that brought about the breakout, right? So now we go to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, you can equally pick the same channel. Okay, you can pick the same channel and we check out what actually where the price is going or the next move of the price. Okay, now you can see that the price after the breakout decided to retest this channel. Okay, and from this channel we are hoping or looking at the price pushing all the way to this level, right? The price can equally push from here to this level, then push back again, and we might be having a change of trend from there. And if you see this, let me just put an arrow there so that we can check higher time frame. So the price can equally push all the way to that level. Okay, then from there push to the downside, maybe this way. All right, so if the price should do this or make this kind of movement, sorry, I just needed to place these lines the right way. So if we have this now, okay, if you now go to our higher time frame, so this is 4 hours now. Okay, now on 4 hours, by the time the price hits this trend line, the price will be able to clear all these highs, which is the best place you are going to be looking for entry. By then the price have clear all this high, clear all the confusions, which is these highs that you might be taking as resistance, all these levels. Okay, so when the price clear, by the time the price is hitting that trend line, you are now clearly seeing the direction of the market. By then, if the price should drop back again to that trend line at the same time at our flip zone or at that resistance level, which will be turned to support at that point, which is this particular point here, that's the point you now start looking for buying opportunities that you buy comfortably without any fear. So you need to understand what I'm sharing with you in this video. Okay, I just want you to understand price action, understand how the market moves. Okay, how the market moves, so that you're able to take advantage of the market and avoid fake signals like at support level, resistance level, without checking out if there's a breakout already, if the price is already changing direction, if there's weakness among buyers or sellers depending on the direction of the market. Okay, so instead of you just jumping in to sell because you have seen a resistance level on 4 hours time frame, on daily time frame, or higher, any other higher time frame, instead of you doing that, you also check if the price have changed direction or have shown sign of weakness, so that you'll be able to move with the trend. You should move with the population. So for this particular analysis, all I have to do is to sit back. You know me very well. If you have been in my mentorship program, even without being in my mentorship program, and you are in my Telegram channel where I drop signals, I'm not the kind of trader that trade 10 times in a day. Sometimes I trade just twice, sometimes I trade once. A day can even pass without me trading, because I am this kind of, I've developed this attitude of being patient, okay, waiting for my setup. So the only thing I have to do is just sit back and wait for the price to to act or play out the same way I've forecasted, okay, or maybe something close to what I've forecasted. Then I will react to whatever the price have already shown me, right? I will just wait patiently for the price to break or clear all those highs and pull back again to this level, to my trend line, and I will buy. So at this point, if you are buying here, you are not wrong. If you are buying at this point, you are not wrong. But whatever you are doing right now, currently at this position, you are wrong, because the price can still respect the support level, okay? The price can, sorry, the resistance level, okay? Or the price may actually push to our trend line, which is the likely, or the, if I'm giving it, if I'm about to maybe give the percentage, I would say that the price, I have confidence that the price is going to push all the way to this level. So I'm giving it like 60 to 70% that the price is going to push to my trend line, then retrace back before I start buying. Okay, then there are every tendency that the price can equally respect that zone and drop also to the downside. But I am not going to be doing anything. If I want to sell this market, if I want to sell, I have to wait for the price to drop and break out from this mini trend line or sub trend line. Okay, if the price should break to the downside this way, I can now start selling again with the trend. Okay, but this is a clear signal that the price is about to change direction to the upward side. Okay, so this is exactly how to actually look at the market. Okay, so I suggest that each time you want to take a trade, try and check both sides. Don't just close one eye and you just jump into the market with the other one. Always check both your left and your right. Check if the price, what are the possibilities of price pushing to the upward direction or the downward direction. So check the both side, know the ones that have more confluences and also the one that suit your strategy, then follow suit. So that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this video is going to be helpful. I hope you have learned from this video. So let me know if you do learn anything from this video by your comments and the likes in this video. Okay, so once you are watching this video, make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video. Also share this kind of videos, because people are suffering from this kind of stuff, making mistakes, so they can equally learn from this one video and save themselves from a lot of fake signals that the market might generate for you in the future. So that's that for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember my mentorship program, if you are watching this video before 20th of November 2023, okay, my mentorship program starts, that is 1 week mentorship program, starts on 20th, okay, and it's going to end 26th. This is 6 days program. The first 3 days is going to be learning the market, understanding the market and my strategy. Then the remaining 3 days is going to be for signals and live trading. So you can join if you wish. Okay, I will also leave my number in the description of my video, this video, and my Telegram channel also here. You can join to get more information about the class. The number is there. You can only WhatsApp that number, send me a WhatsApp message if you want to join the class. Okay, so that's that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.